Hello everyone! Welcome back to Field Trip Friday. Today, we're going to be talking about the weather, specifically thunderstorms. We're going to learn all about thunderstorms and do some activities to find out how they work. So let's get started. Thunderstorms form when hot, humid, unstable air quickly rises above cooler air, creating clouds and rain. This container is filled with warm water. On one side, I'll add ice and blue food coloring, and I'll add red food coloring to the other side. You can see that the warmer red water goes over the cooler blue water, the same way air moves to create a thunderstorm. One of the most important parts of a thunderstorm is the formation of clouds. Without them, there is no storm. Clouds form when water vapor travels up to the sky and condenses into a liquid. We're going to use this jar to see how clouds form. First, we add hot water to the jar. Make sure you get an adult to help you with this step. The hot water will evaporate, which gives us the water vapor that will create the clouds. Next, you need to spray a little bit of hairspray into the jar. This gives the water vapor something to hold on to when it condenses into a cloud. Lastly, we're going to place the lid to the jar back on top and put some ice cubes on it. This creates the cold air needed for the water vapor to condense. If you watch closely, you'll see the cloud forming in the jar above the water. It may be a little difficult to see right now, but wait until we take the lid off the jar. Now that our storm has clouds, we need them to rain. In the top of this jar is a plastic cup with some small holes in the bottom. We're going to add cotton balls to it to act as a rain cloud. Now we'll pour some water on the cotton balls. I made my water blue so it's easier to see. At first, the cotton balls absorb the water, but soon they can't hold anymore and it falls through the cup into the jar. This is the same way clouds rain. They continue to gather more and more moisture until they're so big and heavy that they start raining. To separate a thunderstorm from just rain, of course we need lightning. Lightning is a form of electricity. We're going to show how lightning forms using a balloon and a light bulb. To start, we have to build up a charge on the balloon. I'm going to do this by rubbing it on a wool coat. If you don't have anything made of wool, you can use your hair. As moisture and ice move around in the clouds, they also build up a charge. It's going to take a few minutes for the balloon to have enough of a charge, so let's make this go a little faster. Now that the balloon has an electrical charge, we need something that will be attracted to it. This is where we'll use the light bulb. A light bulb also has an electrical charge, and when we move the balloon near it, it lights up. It's hard to see here because the rest of the room is bright, so take yours somewhere dark. The light bulb is like the ground during a storm. The charge in the cloud and the charge on the ground are attracted to each other. Eventually, the charges connect and create lightning. Of course, if we have lightning, we also have thunder. To demonstrate thunder, we're going to use a paper bag. Start by filling your bag with as much air as possible and twisting the top closed. Then, take your hand and hit the bag so it pops. The air in the bag is compressed, and after it pops, it expands rapidly, creating waves in the air. This is what we hear. Lightning heats the air up very quickly. This causes the air to expand, which creates the waves we hear as thunder. I hope you enjoyed learning about thunderstorms with us, and we'll see you again next week.